How to see where your LinkedIn account is signed in and manage your active sessions. Here's how to do it on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings. Now, tap Sign In and Security. Scroll down and tap Where you're signed in. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices where your LinkedIn account is currently signed in, along with information such as the device type, location, and the last time it was active. If you recognize all the sessions, you don't need to do anything. If you see a device you don't recognize or no longer use, tap that session and select Sign Out or End Session. Then confirm your choice. For extra security, consider changing your password if you notice any suspicious activity. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and managed your active LinkedIn sessions. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, app tutorials, and career advice.